Massive trucks, powerful excavators, and heavy equipment. When they failed, the consequences were catastrophic. From reckless operators to mechanical disasters, witness the most shocking oversized transport fails and near misses. These high-speed, high-risk moments will leave you on the edge of your seat as colossal machines tip, crash, and barely escape disaster. Brace yourself for extreme chaos in the world of heavy machinery. Out of nowhere, the massive fire truck stormed in, tires screeching as it spun wildly in circles. For a heart-stopping moment, it seemed destined for disaster. Hurtling towards a house, a car, anything in its chaotic path. Then, just in time, it skidded to a dramatic stop. Next, the vehicle was crossing the tracks when a train slammed into it. The massive windmill blade shattered on impact, and the truck immediately tipped over to one side. It turned the entire scene into chaos. The truck moved along the highway, climbing the hillside. Suddenly, smoke billowed from underneath, signaling a potential mechanical issue. Other vehicles kept their distance, anticipating an unexpected turn of events. The thick smoke indicated brake malfunction or intense friction, posing a serious risk as the truck continued moving. Things got interesting when a genius decided to move a small power plant on wheels. It was more like the slowest roadblock. This yellow beast took up the whole highway, making even trucks look tiny. Extreme oversized transport, or just a bad day for everyone stuck behind it? Either way, grab some popcorn. Watch as the truck's tires sank slightly, struggling for traction. Fortunately, the car moved just in time. Narrowly avoiding a crushing disaster in this extreme truck and heavy equipment failure. This was indeed why GPS said, "Turn right," and the truck said, "How about a surprise reverse launch instead?" Massive object was carefully transported, navigating roads with precision. After several turns, it finally reached the loading site, where it was carefully positioned on the platform. After final adjustments, it started its journey on the water, moving towards its next destination. A car nearly avoided colliding with a truck, coming dangerously close. Moments later, it began emitting smoke. Then, a heavy-duty tractor bravely entered muddy water, thinking it owned the road. Instead of moving forward, its massive wheels spun like crazy, splashing muddy water everywhere. That driver surely put on a hilarious mud wrestling show. Look at this beast on the move. A massive industrial component was hauled on a multi-axle transporter, carefully navigating its way to the destination. Precision, power, and engineering made this heavy-duty journey possible. Because even the biggest machines need a first-class ride. A red truck seemed completely stuck on the mountainside, its tires buried deep in the soft, muddy terrain. No matter how much force was applied, the wheels refused to budge. A crane arrived at the scene, ready to assist. It carefully positioned itself beside the truck and began removing the heavy load from the truck, making it lighter for the truck unloaded. The crane used its powerful arm to push and pull, slowly freeing the vehicle. After a tense struggle, the truck finally broke free, escaping the muddy trap. This idiot overloaded his tractor so much that the front wheels lifted off the ground. An absolute genius in reckless driving. After losing control, this fool veered off the road straight into the greenery. Maybe he thought tractors could fly. A massive truck suffered a critical failure while moving downhill. Leading to a disastrous crash into a building, a shocking moment showing the dangers of heavy equipment malfunctions. It was unclear what they were trying to do, lifting or removing the machine. Suddenly, the vehicle started lifting slightly, catching them off guard and leading to a risky and unstable situation. The vehicle lifted even higher, causing the driver to react quickly. The machine flipped over, but the driver avoided serious injury in a dangerous mishap thanks to his timely response. The truck driver had miscalculated the height again. A poor worker had to climb up like Spider-Man, wrestling wires to clear the path. Who needed excitement when oversized truck chaos existed? After an epic struggle, the trucks had finally pushed through. Victory? Maybe. But hopefully, the driver had remembered he was hauling a giant load before taking the next turn at full speed. A considerable bulldozer sat untouched for 15 years at an old mining site, unable to start due to engine troubles. A powerful digger, backed by a smaller one, dragged the 40-ton machine onto a truck. The risky transport now tested the limits of heavy equipment handling. That wraps up today's video on dangerous idiots. Fastest truck and heavy equipment fail. We witnessed how tiny errors led to major disasters, proving that handling heavy machinery demanded skill and attention. Some failures were shocking, while others could have been prevented with better judgment. These moments showed why caution and experience mattered. Stay safe, stay aware, and always respect heavy equipment. Like, share, and subscribe for more extreme truck and heavy equipment fails. And also, hit the bell icon to never miss an update. See you soon. Thanks for watching.